I wanted to quickly show you the answers for this week's math, lessons 5.5 to 5.8. Here's page 289 and page 290. And then the math homework, page 221 and 222. We had some review in the elapsed time. It's been a while since we've looked at this, so if it was a little tricky for you, you had to look twice. Please don't feel bad, okay? And then Tuesday's math, here's page 291. And page 292. Page 293. And 294. And then we'll take a look at the homework for that evening, which was page 223 for the homework. And page 224 for the homework, the backside. And there's more of our elapsed time review with the timeline. Okay. Wednesday's math, page 295. And again, we have our first step question and answered, and then the answer to the final question. And notice that we've labeled our units for all of these. Okay, same for page 296. We have labeled everything, so it makes sense. Okay, and then here is the homework for that night, page 225. Same concept. Asking the first step question, answering the first step question, then finding the answer to the final question. There we go. And then the back side, here are the answers. Proof drawings, fun times. Okay, and then we have Thursday's classwork. There's my friend Puzzle Penguin. He had a little bit of a problem. He forgot his second step. Okay, these you didn't have to have an equation, but you did have to at least have a label. Page 298. Now you guys know me. I always prefer to have an equation so I can always figure out where I went wrong. But if you didn't, if you just have the answer with the unit, that is fine too. And then on page 299, when you were having to find if it was reasonable, we've done this quite a bit this year where we sit there and we think, is that reasonable? I'm not really sure. So when you go and you look, you can round to the nearest 10 or the nearest hundreds, whatever makes sense to you. For this, I'd probably do the tens. Was it reasonable? Yep. And when I checked the answer, I got the same thing. Okay, so that was 299. And here's page 300. Same concept. We even start to see the introduction of some parentheses, which I think is very important with this. And then we take a look at our homework for that night on Thursday. Here are our answers for page 227. And the backside, here's page 228. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I can see if I can help you over email.